Hello all you beautiful people, I'm Alex Steele, and today I'm going to make a fold-out spray booth for airbrushing and other kinds of spray paint. Let's go! And that is how I made this fold-out photo spray booth. Now there's some magnets that allow things and parts to snap together, and then I added these panels on the left and right because there's a gap that's created by the spacer that I used to make sure that the folding mechanism works fine, and the gap was too big to be functional. So by adding these panels, I prevent overspray. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.